Alright guys, we're back out on the highway here taking a ride. It's a sunny day, cool. But at least there's no snow on the ground. It's November the 15th. And we got to find again another windy day. As you can see, we're cruising. We're doing about 60 right now. Kind of a curvy, windy road here. No problems whatsoever. I mean, it's a little on the rougher side because this is a very uneven highway. It's an older highway. And yeah, these trucks will do it. 323 gears. We're running at about 2,500 RPMs at 60. Going on a big curve. Once I'm around the curve here, I'm going to be 65, 70, and we'll probably cut the video. Alright, as you can see, we're well over 60. No problem whatsoever. I got lots of pedal to go and I'm approaching 70 miles an hour. No problem whatsoever. A little bouncy, it's windy. So we're going to slow her down or we're going to call her a day.